belly fat at home in 3 days with eggs. Nowadays, thousands of people are puzzling over how to get rid of extra weight. In fact, it might be an underestimation, as many more people suffer from obesity in the modern world. Actually, according to the statistics, there are more overweight people than those underweight. Here we have some pretty shocking facts. If parents of a child have problems with extra weight, their offspring have an 80% probability of suffering from this condition as well. Obesity can be the reason of minimum 15 diseases, including joint pain, cancer, stroke, and others. Almost 4.5 million of the citizens of the USA have the weight of more than 300 pounds. 1 out of 3 American teenagers and children are either obese or overweight. 50 years ago, the sum of $3 billion was spent on fast food in the USA. Nowadays, these expenditures have reached $120 billion. These facts are quite impressive, though not in a good way. Have you ever thought of the necessity to lose some extra inches around your waist? Are you about to do it and need just a little push to start? Then you have switched on this video just in time. We have found a perfect way to become slimmer, more energetic, and overall healthier. No horrifying medical procedures or starving for days on end. Just one simple ingredient, and the process of weight loss will jump into action. You will see the results in no more than 3 days. Are you ready for the miracle? Then stay with us and remember to press the like button. Such revealed secrets deserve it, don't they? But first of all, let's speak about what you shouldn't do if you want to lose weight safely. Starvation or a diet too low in calories. It can come across as a surprise, but such ways of losing weight can lead to the opposite effect. When you stand on the weigh scale and see disappearing pounds, don't hurry to feel ecstatic. First of all, your body loses its muscle mass. What is much more dangerous, such a technique can result in a slowed down metabolism and even increase the risk of diabetes type 2. Supplements that promise you wonders. Taking prescription drugs, you can be sure that they will be safe and effective in the treatment of your problem. It can't be guaranteed, though, if we speak about supplements. Companies producing them don't have to provide proofs that they are natural or good for people's health. Before trying them, consult with your doctor first. Detox programs. These programs should also be treated with caution. They cause the loss of weight mostly because you lose water and other liquids. So, if you are overly enthusiastic while approaching such a program, you get under the risk of dehydration, and that's just too dangerous to be taken lightly. To sum it up, remember that you need to consume minimum 1,200 calories a day. If not, you will experience the lack of nutrients, and they are like fuel for your daily activity. Just like a car can't move without gas, you can't live without this minimal amount of calories. Moreover, this nagging feeling of hunger will drive you crazy. Also, if you lose excess weight too fast, there is a high risk that it will return, but it in the form of more fat than muscle. You should avoid the following products if you want to get rid of some belly fat. Products rich in carbohydrates. They are also called carb-dense. Not all the products which contain carbs are carb-dense. This definition refers only to those foods that have a high ratio of carbohydrates in ounces and their weight. If you take a medium potato, that seems to be considered as bad carbs, you will find out that its weight of 6.5 ounces is mostly water. Carbs are just 23% of the total weight. The conclusion, you can eat this product without any worries. Unhealthy fats. There are several types of fat which are famous for their contribution to extra inches around the waistline. Saturated, trans, and omega-6 fats. Try to avoid full-fat dairy, food which has been packaged, soybean oil, processed meat, and meat high in fat. Sugar and sweeteners, both artificial and natural. Your body perceives artificial sweeteners just as if it was real sugar. It makes the body release insulin. It works as a signal after which glucose is stored in the form of fat. So no fizzy drinks, even diet ones. And now, let's move to this secret ingredient that will play a major role in the process of your weight loss. It is an egg. Even if you are a bit skeptical now, well, let's admit, eggs are just too common and usual, wait until the end of the video. Perhaps it will manage to surprise you. A like is highly appreciated. First of all, let's see why an egg is such an incredible product. Eggs are very nutritious. You won't be wrong if you say that they are on top of the list of the most nutritious products in the world. One boiled egg contains vitamins B2, B5, B6, B12, vitamin A, vitamins D and E, calcium, selenium, phosphorus, folate, and zinc. No wonder, because in the very egg, just one cell turns into a whole chicken. In an egg, you will also find different nutrients important for your health. Eggs are good for the health of eyes. They may lower the risk of stroke. This product increases the level of the good cholesterol. The best thing is that eating one egg, which is very fulfilling by the way, you consume just 77 calories, and at the same time, 0.2 ounces of protein and 0.17 ounces of healthy fats. Are you thoroughly persuaded in the health benefits of eggs? Good. Let's see how to reduce belly fat in 3 days using them. Day 1. Breakfast. Drink a cup of green tea with no sugar, and eat 2 tomatoes and 2 boiled eggs. Lunch. Have 2 egg whites. They are a perfect source of protein. 4 ounces of fish, boiled or baked, and drink a cup of green tea. Between lunch and dinner, you can have a snack, 1 apple. Dinner. For dinner, you can have your favorite vegetables, be it broccoli, carrots, peas, green beans, cauliflower, whatever you wish. The only condition here, they must be steamed. Drink a cup of green tea without sugar. Day number 2. Breakfast. Drink a cup of unsweetened green tea. Eat 2 boiled eggs and a banana. Lunch. For lunch, enjoy 2 egg whites, 4.2 ounces of chicken, boiled without skin. And right you are, your favorite green tea. Dinner. On the second day, your dinner can include a piece of rusk, 4 ounces of cottage cheese, and a cup of low-fat milk. Day number 3. Breakfast. Drink a glass of tomato juice and eat 2 boiled eggs. Lunch. Green tea, 2 egg whites again, and 4.2 ounces of cooked red meat. Dinner. Dinner will bring you green salad, to your taste. 2 baked potatoes, and a cup of green tea. If you wonder why you need to drink green tea so much, here are some health benefits. Bioactive compounds contained in it improve health. Antioxidants in green tea have strong medicinal properties. The compounds found in green tea can make you even smarter. They make the brain function better. It positively influences the process of fat burning, boosting the rate of metabolism. Several studies have proved that drinking green tea results in the decrease in body fat, in the area of the abdomen in particular. This drink may decrease the risk of different types of cancer, such as prostate and breast cancer. It lowers the risk of developing Alzheimer's and Parkinson's diseases. Green tea reduces the risk of dental infection. The risk of cardiovascular disease and type 2 diabetes also goes down. Keep this way for 3 days and see what will happen. Share the results you have achieved in the comments below the video. But let's agree, no cheating while you are following this diet. Share the video with your friends if they are dreaming of losing belly fat. Please hit the like button. If this video gathers 50,000 likes, we will tell you how to get in shape and build muscles in just 2 weeks. To follow our videos, subscribe to our channel.